Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious quesadilla sauce from scratch. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, a jalapeno, onion, and garlic. Make sure you have a blender or food processor ready for later steps. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Now, let's build the foundation of our sauce. Begin by roasting your tomatoes, onion, and garlic until they are tender and slightly caramelized. For the jalapeno, you can remove the seeds for a milder sauce or keep them in for extra kick. Next, gently sauté a pinch of cumin and oregano in a pan. These spices will awaken the flavors and add a wonderful depth to your sauce. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer all your roasted vegetables and sautéed spices into your blender. Add just a small splash of water to help with the blending process. Pulse until you achieve your preferred consistency, whether you like it perfectly smooth or with a little texture. Finally, season generously with salt, pepper, and a tiny bit of sugar to balance the acidity. Almost there. Pour your blended sauce into a saucepan and let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes. This step is crucial for allowing all those wonderful flavors to fully combine and deepen. If the sauce seems too thick, you can add a tablespoon or two of water to reach your ideal consistency. Now, your homemade quesadilla sauce is ready to be enjoyed warm with any quesadilla.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.